Guys, this is our new M18 30-quart Jobsite rolling fridge. We're out in the field. We heard a lot of frustrations with traditional coolers and some of the electric coolers that are on the market today. So what we're delivering here is a new solution that solves the frustrations that we heard. We have a true refrigeration system that's going to be able to cool down to -4 degrees. Whether you need something like water bottles or even if you have something like electrolyte pops, keep yourself and your crew ready to go and be productive all day. Now, you're able to power this fridge with M18, AC power or DC power, so you have power no matter where you are or what situation you're in. 150 battery is going to get you up to 8.5 hours of runtime, plus 16 hours of retention with the insulation that we have in there for over 24 hours of total cooling performance. Now, we also did give you the ability to use 2 M18 batteries. So if you stepped up to 2 12-0 batteries, you're going to get over 2.5 days of overall cooling performance. Now, we also knew that cooling was just only part of the story. If you ever tried to drag the cooler across a job site, it's not a great experience. So what we have here is a completely ground up design with users in the field, things like all steel retractable handle, durable hinges and latches, and the 9-inch all-terrain wheels plus your pack out compatibility. Make sure it's super easy to not only survive on the job site, but move it around and get you that hydration wherever you need, and make it super easy to have that. So the M18 30-quart Jobsite rolling fridge is delivering ice cold performance, all terrain, all day. It's going to be available in May of 2027.
Thank you. Still keeping those frozen. I was like, oh, this must be the professional photographer.